Tired of complicated payment setups that leave you scratching your head? In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to connect your personal PayPal account to your WordPress website in under 90 seconds. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the back end of your website where you make all the changes. Next, navigate to the plugin section on the left-hand side of your screen and click Add New. In the search bar, type in Embed Button. Several plugins will pop up, all of which have different functionalities. Look for a plugin with good reviews and a high number of installs, like PayPal Buy Now button by WP Easy Card for example. Then, click Install Now. Once installed, click the Activate button. This will make the plugin live on your website. Now, depending on the plugin you've chosen, you'll either find a new menu item in your dashboard settings or a button you can easily add to your posts and pages. Look for the plugin settings and locate the field where you need to enter your PayPal email address. This is the email address associated with your personal PayPal account. After adding your email, configure the button to your liking. Then, simply embed that button on your desired page using shortcodes or the built-in block editor. Now you're set to receive payments directly through your website using your personal PayPal account. That's how you link PayPal to WordPress the easy way.